How to preview Microsoft Office files without opening them. This tutorial shows you how to see the content of a Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file directly inside File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by pressing the Windows key and E at the same time. After that, click on the View tab at the top. Let me show you. From there, click on Show, then click on Preview pane from the drop-down menu. At this point, a panel will appear on the right side of File Explorer. In the next step, click on any Word, Excel, or PowerPoint file from the list. Following this, the file's content will instantly appear inside the Preview panel without opening the full app. Once done, scroll within the Preview panel if the file has multiple pages or slides. From here, click on any other Office file to update the preview to that file instead. Keep in mind, if the preview appears blank, you may need to install the Microsoft Office preview handlers, since some PC setups don't have them enabled by default. Finally, click on Preview pane again anytime you want to turn this panel off. And that's it. If this guide helped you preview Microsoft Office files without opening them, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.